Allo, tonton. Yeah, you know this, baby. Grandma, back at it again. We jugging and vibing, just bumping and riding.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Jalisa Ray, and I am here with my first ever official video makeup tutorial. I'm super excited. I have filmed so much videos, but this one I think is gonna be the best one. I'm not sure, but today I am doing a look on a nice springtime colorful, cut crease look. For this look today, I used the Festival by Juvias Place eyeshadow palette. Juvias Place is one of my favorite brands. So I played around with this palette today to achieve this look. I used this pink, this orange, just like peach, a little bit of this blue, peacock type of color. So have this palette in your collection. Hopefully you'll be able to figure out some new ways to use it. Enough rambling. Enjoy the rest of this video. Okay, so I have one eye done, so I'm gonna come in a little closer so y'all can see exactly what I did. I'm using the Juvias Place Festival eyeshadow palette. This is the only palette that I'm using today. I'm so proud of myself because most of the time I use multiple palettes, but every color I needed for this look is in this palette. And then the only other product I used was eyeliner, and that's about it. So let's zoom in a little bit closer. What I'm gonna be using is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand to prime my eyeshadow lids. As y'all can see, I did a cut crease. So I'm just gonna put that on my lid.
Prime it. Have that nice and primed.
Okay, so I'm gonna be right there with my AOA brush. This is an AOA E132. AOA is just a brand from Shop Miss A. Their brushes are very affordable. $10. 10 eyeshadow brushes for $10. But I'm just gonna start.
And we're going pretty hard with this eyeshadow today. Blended. Terribly.
The color. This color is called Maman. That's what I'm going to use to blend out that pink that we have here.
You know what? I lied. I'm using the wrong brush for this. I'm going to use my Anastasia fluffier brushes. The secret of eyeshadow. Putting on a darker color first.
Back it with the pink. And then just deepen up that pink that we placed first on our lid. I'm gonna go in now to cut the crease. So to cut my crease, I'm gonna go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape and then a flatter shader brush. Really be flat. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand and then take my flatter brush and then just dig into that concealer and flatten out that brush. I did. It looks a little higher than this one, but if anything, I'll just alter this one. So I'm first gonna go in with the shade. On an angled brush, I'm gonna use the shade Rahul. Okay. A flatter shader brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Rahul. Okay, so that's it with the eyeshadow for now. I'm just gonna put on some wing liner, and for eyeliner, I'm using the NK Makeup Matte eyeliner. This is from Juvias Place, so it's nothing fancy, so I'm gonna be using that eyeliner. And I'm gonna also be putting on some lashes, and then I'll come right back to finish off. Okay, so I'm finally done doing my lashes and liner on this eye. I had to make my liner a little thicker because I had a mishap, but so y'all can see how that looks. So I'm just gonna zoom in once again, last time, to put in my inner corner. So I'm gonna be using the color I have, and that is the color Abba. I'm gonna take Abba and then just put it. Okay, so for face, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation in the color 356 Warm Coconut. And I'm just using my e.l.f. blending brush. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, classic, and it works. I love it. This has been the concealer I've been using consistently. I want to try other concealers, but every time I buy a new one, something goes wrong. That's why I just stick to this one. It's not broke. Fix it.
A lot of concealer today. See? A lot of concealer. That's way too much concealer I use. Let's take a beat on your sponge.
And then to set that, I'm using my Ben Nye powder. That part of my face. My Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is a shade lighter than my foundation, but it's okay. So I have to set my foundation. It's something I must do for setting my foundation. This line right here, the bottom lash line. And then to contour, I'm using the Speak Cosmetics Contour Kit in color Deep Dark. So I'm going to contour first, then bronze. I'm using the e.l.f. this angle brush to contour. using this highlight from Give Me Glow Cosmetics in the color Golden Peach. It's just this beautiful golden peach color. It's like how it says all the colors. My Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight brush.
I've had this brush for years and still not struggle. It's spring, so you want it to glow. You want it to be glowy with all this madness going on. And they right on top of my cute I don't really highlight my nose. I don't highlight my nose because I have such a big nose, but just highlight the forehead and chin slightly. I'm barely putting anything on my nose, just small.
Okay, so I'm gonna pull down my hair and then I'm gonna do my lipstick. So I'm basically done with my hair and stuff. I was going to keep my hair out, but I was like, I like the ponytail. So I decided to keep the ponytail. So it is lips. So color Stiletto. And I got this from the Beauty Supply Store. So it's a dark brown with lip liner. So I'm gonna try that now. So once you have that on, I'm going to take the color. This is from Lime Crime. It's just a little mini lipstick and this is in the color Sydney. I'm going to put Sydney right in the middle. Here's my gloss. And for gloss today, I'm using the NARS, what is this called? The NARS Velvet Lip Glide in the color
Swing. It just looks like this. Got this from Marshall's. And I really like this gloss. Ooh, a little too much. Okay.
Just a little tiny lip liner. Sorry, lip liner. Highlight on the top lip. Okay, that is it. I am done. So if you guys liked this makeup tutorial, please give me a comment and like and share this with your friends. Again, this is for the springtime. I think it's very appropriate. It's colorful. It's bright but not too bright. You know, it's just a perfect amount of colors going on with nudity. So comment down below what look you want me to do next. This channel is going to be filled with a whole bunch of things. It's going to be filled with hair, nails, makeup, you know, food, mukbangs, like cooking possibly. So this channel is going to be a whole bunch of stuff. As you guys can see behind me, I have a desk with a hand ready to go because I am in school to be a licensed nail tech. These are actually my natural nails. I always have my nails super long, but because of this corona outbreak and everybody in quarantine, my long nails is not good for gloves, so I had to go short and natural in this case. So you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, this is my first ever official successful video. I have filmed 7 videos, but this one looks like it's gonna be the best one because the other videos that I filmed in the wrong format, or I did tutorials and you guys was not able to see anything. The only thing you was able to see is my lace and my scarf. So hopefully this tutorial came out better. I think I figured out how to film. I'm sorry for the mirror being right there. I should have moved that the whole time, but yeah. Mishaps and stuff is gonna happen like that in this channel, but it's okay. It's okay. You guys are here. We're here on this journey together. So yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. My name is Juvias Place, and please join me again for another video. Until next time, bye you guys.
I made it through the wilderness. Somehow I made it through. Didn't know how lost I was until I found you. I was beat, incomplete. I've been had. I was sad, blue, but you made me feel. Yeah, you made me feel shiny and new. like a virgin.